Hi, my name is Pat. I did my project on the Stroop Effect. Basically, the Stroop Effect was named after psychologist Ridley Stroop. He discovered that reading of words sends a message to the brain that is difficult to override. So when a word's meaning is combined with disharmonious messages, such as color, it interferes with the processing and causes delays. What that means is that our brain has specific areas that process different types of information. One area works with language and decodes letters and recognizes the meaning of the words they form. Another analyzes colors. When the messages from these two centers are incongruent, the brain is in conflict. So basically, what I did was I wanted to find out if this was true. And how I did this was I had these printed, which I'll show you here, printed papers here. And as you can see, hopefully you can see here, that this one here, the words are printed colors, green, red, blue, and such, and so on, etc. And the colors match the printed word. The color the word is printed in match the printed word. The second one here is basically the same, except for the color of the printed color does not match the printed word. And this one here is just random words that have nothing to do with colors. So, I took 3 groups of 5 subjects. Basically, I went up to the college and just picked them random. I sat in a hub in the trio's office and I asked them. First 5 that I asked to read the printed word. And what I got was that they could do that, as you might expect, rather quick. It took them about 8.8 seconds on average. And then the second group, I asked them to identify the color in which the words were printed in. Now, they had a much more difficult time. They averaged approximately 20.82 seconds, which is like almost just shy of triple. And they were pretty surprised at that. The brain just would not, it just wanted to recognize the word. Third group was interesting too, because they were asked to identify the colors of random words that had nothing to do with the color. Now, this group was kind of in the midpoint, because while they wanted to recognize the word, being the word was not a written word of color, just a random word, such as ball, house, horse, that they found that they were about 13.8 seconds. So I believe that the theory is congruent with selective attention, which states that it takes much more time and attention to recognize colors than it does the printed word. I believe this proves our brain, by sheer habituation, is conditioned to the written word. So I also believe the results are congruent with the speed of processing theory, which says that when we read the written word, the speed's faster than the speed we recognize colors. I would like to add, though, this was just exciting and fun, because I was surprised when I did it myself. That as hard as I would try to recognize the color, my brain just kept going to the written word, and it was frustrating. I had a great time doing this. I got to meet a lot of great people that I normally wouldn't have met, and it was just fun all the way around. I learned a lot about how my brain works, I think, and I'm just more aware of. I'm more aware of how my brain processes things. So it was just a great and fun thing all the way around. And I had a great time this quarter. It's been a very interesting class, and thank you all for letting me share this with you. Obviously, I'm just a little uncomfortable on video. Yeah. Well, anyway, so thanks a lot. Bye.